Alright guys, today I'm going to be installing the new powerstop brake calipers, powerstop brake pads, powerstop slotted disc rotors. These are the 1.25" disc rotors, not inch. So you get the right ones or they won't fit on your hub. Powerstop brakes. Turns out we don't have to press these bearing races in. They come pressed already with some in there. So all I had to do was grease them up, put the bearings in. Like so. Russell metal brake lines, pretty good quality. You get two front ones and one for the rear.